Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Couple Uncouple. So आज couple uncouple है नहीं फिलहाल. So today's vlog is basically not something that we have planned. It's just that Asta is having not a very good day. उसका थोड़ा low जा रहा है दिन. And I just thought that let's just surprise her for once. And let's just, more than surprising, it's just that I just want to go and meet her and try if uska mood thoda better ho jaye. And for that I've just got this also for her, I hope, because she loves flowers, but this is something else. This thing I had ordered it like long back for her only, but I thought कि I'll give it like थोड़े अच्छे occasion पे, but आज मैंने सोचा कि क्यों नहीं. So then this is there, and also I've planned like I'll just take her to eat something because ek to she's following like proper diet and everything. So I just thought खाने चले जाएंगे. I've also booked movie का tickets, and for that I've called Shanai also. So even he's joining us. So we three will go for movie. एक तो गाइस पता नहीं मुझे बहुत स्ट्रेस आ जाता है जब ये अकेले व्लॉग चालू करना रहता है ना. आई एम जस्ट टू स्ट्रेस दैट यू नो व्हाट इफ समथिंग इज नॉट गोइंग राइट. बट दिस इज समथिंग विच इवन शी डजंट नो, तो कोई जज करने वाला है नहीं फिलहाल. तो आई हैव जस्ट टोल्ड हर एज ऑफ नाउ दैट यू नो आई एम गोइंग डाउन. मैंने एक रीज़न दे दिया उसको कि मैं खेलने जा रहा हूँ ये वो, तो आई वोंट बी अवेलेबल लाइक फॉर द नेक्स्ट 1 hour बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू ट्रैवल एंड उसका थोड़ा मूड बेटर हो जाए मेरी वजह से. So let's go. I'll see you guys. Okay, guys. So finally we have reached now, and just going up. We've reached. Now let me turn the camera. Wait. Let's go. I hope, guys. Surprise!
How are you? Yo, bro, I literally just texted you.
Can you open? Yeah, I can't see. My camera is not focusing.
How did you found?
How did
What
you?
the hell?
How are you, bro? How do you feel now?
Thank you.
Wait, at least let me enter.
Let me have a hug at you.
Wait, and this is for you.
Thank you. Blue
It's-
is my favorite color.
It's Tiffany.
Tiffany blue is my
Tiffany.
favorite color.
I know, bruh. Are you feeling better now? Thanks. Now say, कैसा लग रहा है?
Thank you. I didn't expect you to come.
अरे यार रेड फ्लैग ऐसे ही थोड़ी हूँ यार मैं.
Guys, वो एक कमेंट इतना उसको लग गया. मैंने नहीं बोला रेड फ्लैग. Guys,
मतलब
it's the greenest forest ever alive.
Exactly. अभी इतने दूर तक आया हूँ, so what do you think? ऐसे ही तो नहीं आ रहा हूँ. Like there's one more surprise. Not surprise, but like I've planned something. What do you think?
My stomach is pain.
I'm sorry, but firstly, तो let's go to eat something healthy. Healthy बोल रहा हूँ, पाव भाजी नहीं. Healthy तो you'll eat now.
Yeah. And then
Cool.
we're going to Marines.
Marines नहीं, like Marines we'll go next time for sure. ये याद रखना. Next time पक्का Marine Drive लेके जाऊँगा. But after this, we're going for a movie.
Which one?
There's a new movie, English movie है. So I'm taking you for that. And also I've asked Shanai also to come for that because अपन दोनों कितने बोर हो जाएंगे
Yeah,
यार
you
अभी.
planned this whole, what, in 5 minutes you planned this whole scene.
Fi-
Okay, let's go. I'll get ready and come.
फटाफट रेडी हो चल अभी. Finally after 2 hours.
No, I've worn something simple because my stomach is paining and I don't feel like getting extra ready and all. So I think this is fine, right? You can say I'm looking pretty.
You're looking cute. Let's go now. मेरे को बहुत भूख लगी actually आज तो. Can we go now?
You see like the mood change since you've come.
अरे अपना ऐसा ही bro.
We are on our way to. So I've recently discovered this new place. It's called Salad Days, and I had the broccoli soup there. It is so good. It's generally when you have broccoli soup, it's like cream of broccoli, but this one is literally like it's water based, and it is amazing.
Water based.
It's amazing. Trust me, it's healthy, but it's too good in
See
taste.
today, even if I want to eat something else, मेरे को लग रहा नहीं है कि मेरे को बोलना चाहिए.
How cute.
But ठीक है, let's go, let's try. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं लोनावला जा रहा हूँ, मैं 2 घंटे से सिर्फ गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ. So I'm
How
already
sweet.
tired.
It's okay, even I will surprise you someday.
You better do it now.
4 minutes away to the love of my life.
Now where? U-turn.
Straight. And then the signal will come, it's a left. Dude, I don't know, this place seems like a Khopchi kind of thing. No, it's not left from here, it's straight only, Jigar.
You sure?
Yeah.
थोड़ा कैमरा बंद कर सकते हैं आप अभी चाहिए तो.
4 minutes. Now this is going to be with me forever.
forever.
I hope you give me a flower like every single day like this, maybe different colors, and then I collect it and make a bouquet of it.
Okay, bye. थोड़ा एक दिन मैंने क्या कर लिया, तूने बहुत ज़्यादा expectations बढ़ा लिए खुद के.
So what you can't do for me, or
Every day I can't.
Today you said now you will do for me whatever I say.
Okay, fine.
So then every day you give me a different color flower.
Okay, fine. Okay, guys. मैं सरप्राइज दूँ और पोपट ना हो, ये हो ही नहीं सकता. It doesn't go well together. हम लोग जिधर जाने वाले थे, जो प्लेस शी वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट, जिसको बहुत पसंद था, इट इज़ बेसिकली क्लाउड किचन, बराबर ना. इसने हमको फुल गली के अंदर लेके गई है, थिंकिंग दैट इट्स देयर ओनली, और हमें पता चला है कि ये है ही नहीं यहाँ पे जगह. एंड नाउ व्हाट वी हैव डिसाइडेड इज, इसका घर पैलेडियम से 5 मिनट दूर है. सो वी आर लाइक लेट्स जस्ट ऑर्डर इट स्विगी से,
Go home,
eat,
come back.
and then watch a movie because our movie is at
10:30.
10:30 and it's just 9 अभी. तो 1.5 घंटा तो क्या ही करेंगे, इससे अच्छा चुपचाप घर पे जाओ, खाओ and then वापस आओ.
What do you want, dude? I think this Asian tofu and soba broth can also be nice.
Soba broth and tofu, I hate both.
I'm having
Guys,
this.
मुझे ऑर्डर करने दो, मैं वापस आता हूँ. बाय.
I'm ordering this broccoli, kale, and almond.
Kale, I तो hate kale.
This is too good, and this is what I'm ordering. What do you feel? And this is all I'm gonna eat.
तू तेरा मंगा, मैं मेरे इससे मंगा रहा हूँ, ठीक है? मैं मेरा
See,
जैसे
there is this
McDonald's.
mushroom and cottage cheese sandwich also.
Wow. Wait. Bye guys.
Hi guys! So we were so hungry that we actually just ended up eating. We didn't shoot anything. We just took one video of me actually hogging the soup, which was yummy. You all should definitely try broccoli, kale, and almonds. It was amazing. Jigar hogged his roll and
Which
one
roll? Say.
some aloo palu.
One aloo palu क्या है? One aloo roll and one paneer. Butter
Paneer is
masala.
left. Paneer
Yeah,
is left, which he will eat later.
So are you sure you won't have like even one bite?
No, I don't eat post 7 p.m. And like right now, you know, right, I'm on a diet.
Okay, yeah.
I won't really
course,
eat so
yeah.
much. And now we're heading for a
Movie.
mood.
It is
ekdam mast.
Nakabandi or what?
Oh, now you're not wearing a seatbelt.
I am.
So then why am I getting scared, brother?
Because.
What?
What? Because.
Why are you smiling so much?
Just yeah.
How's
So,
the date going on now? Arey, wo ho gaya.
Date क्या है, bro?
Date, sorry. How's the friendly meeting?
Surprise.
Friendly surprise going right now. एक तो पुचकी हो गया. अभी.
पुचकी नहीं था, bro. Like we were hungry, so we called for and we hogged, which is fine.
Okay, fine. So then, since you just made me eat at home, can we go to Phoenix and buy something for me?
Right now,
Yeah.
ठीक है. Whatever is open, you can get it from it.
Everything shuts at 10.
Are you all set? Why are you so sad?
Because you irritated me in the car. You had
What?
one job. You surprised me.
But what did I do now?
First floor, PVR.
I'm going. You stay back.
Okay, bye. What?
Can you get me something from here? Purposely, now you got because it's closed.
अरे but I तो said ना, bro. Whatever you want, you buy.
Firstly, have you booked tickets in PVR Inox? Even I've never been there.
Even I've never been there. जो सबसे सस्ता लिखा वाला लिया है.
It is not. I can afford only this because that's where I go.
I'm going.
Jigar has booked PVR Kotak IMAX. Itna special you're making me feel, Jigar.
I'll tell you all the reason later.
Thank you so much. I've never been here.
ये तो आगे से जाने का है. Proceed. Okay.
No, that's okay.
Jigar, plan something for Valentine's.
घर पे निकाल. Guys, what a sweetheart, guys. What a sweetheart. She asked me that, do you want me to drive since like you're tired? I'm like, let's
I've
go,
forgotten
bro.
how to drive here.
भाई क्या पका रही है?
Neutral.
एक मिनट रुका, तो स्लो. मैं देखो बता रहा हूँ, रुक.
S.
डी. आस्था. भाई ए वेट आस्था, ये मैंने किसको दे दिया है? स्लोली. आराम से, सावकाश.
Why is your like accelerator under that thing?
It's fine, whatever it is, it is. Guys, इसकी 2 सेकंड में रफ्तार एकदम बढ़ गई है.
Bro, one second.
Yeah, bro. What happened, bro? Oh,
I forgot the seatbelt. You know my rules,
Oh
right?
my god. Oh my god. Let's go. हर घड़ी सा साथी है.
I was supposed to be the princess today, but he's made me the driver and he's sitting on the side and chilling.
But अभी
Is
you
that
asked for
fair?
it ना bro.
तुमसे मिले तो
सोने लगी है तू और मैं तेरा तू दिखे ना दिखे तू तेरी खुशबू तू बदू इश्क है ये इश्क है
तू ही मेरी मंजिल तू ही मेरी मंजिल.
The day comes to an end. I just hope that she's just tired, but I guess.
Thank you for surprising me.
इतना उदास होके क्यों बोल रही है?
इतना तो झगड़ा किया बीच में अभी
कुछ झगड़ा नहीं किया
तो
guys.
लोग को बोलना चाहिए ना कि सरप्राइज तो दिया बट झगड़ा भी किया उसके बाद.
Guys, ये भी needed है. I'm being very honest. Actually guys, मेरा गलत कॉल हो गया कि मैंने इसको गाड़ी चलाने दी because अब ये थक गई गाड़ी चलाते. तो अभी थोड़ा aggression. नहीं.
गुड मॉर्निंग आईवी. Are you excited?
Very excited.
At 6 in the morning, 7.
7. ये ऊपर को ना.
Who are you thinking about? Your ex? Is wanting some transfer?
इसको है ना थोड़ा बम पे भी देना है. शक्ति तो नहीं लगी. वीकनेस है चीज़. चंगू मंगू.
खिलना नहीं है, बात नहीं करना है, कुछ नहीं करना.
कोई मेंटल इश्यू जैसे डिप्रेशन, इंसोम्निया, एंजाइटी.
नहीं.
ओके यूजुअली विस्की, बियर, रम, स्कॉच.
और वोडका.
कितने क्वांटिटी पीते हैं यूजुअली, कितने पैक?
2 बस 2 से 3 में भी.
Basically, it's 9 a.m. right now. I'm going with Jigar to Powai because he wants to shoot something, so I'm helping him to shoot. Like yesterday, he came to surprise me. Today, I am shooting for him.
हम लोग ऐसे चलते रहते हैं. सरप्राइज ये लाइफ में व्लॉग बनाओ, सरप्राइज करो, खत्म. मजा नहीं लाइफ.
And before this, at 7 in the morning, Jigar had to get up and get an entire blood checkup done. Show.
ये भी दुख रहा है गाइस मुझे बहुत.
इसका
Heavy
सब
लग रहा
बीपी
है.
बहुत बढ़ गया है ना, मैं उसको इतना इरिटेट करती हूँ तो उसके हिसाब से उसको करना पड़ा. What else?
बस फिलहाल के लिए इतना आइटिनरी में. अभी तक कुछ ज़्यादा हुआ नहीं है. Now we are going to Powai to shoot some content for me.
Yeah, it's like, and I have an event to attend today, but
Yeah.
I'm so nice. I've still come to shoot for you. Say thanks.
Thanks.
Jigar is driving. I'm gonna sit and do some work.
वर्क कुछ नहीं है गाइस. सिर्फ ना ट्रांसफर कर रही है सब जो फाइल्स है. उसके बाद वर्क मेरा है जो मेरे को एडिट कर.
Acha, 1 second. Just tell everyone since the past 3 videos who's been editing.
We both are editing.
Say the truth. Thumbnail, everything. Who's been doing uploading, everything.
मतलब ऐसे फिजिकली शी इज डूइंग बट ऐसे मेंटली तो दोनों का ध्यान है ही ना उस पे. बिकॉज़ इट्स कपल ऑन कपल.
सुन. छोड़.
कितना? 30 का. थैंक यू. बोलो गणपति बाप्पा
Moria.
मंगल मूर्ति.
Moria.
ओके गाइस, लोकेशन चेंज. मैम ने बोला नो ग्रीनरी.
Yeah, it's not, you know, like I'm the DOP for today and I'm not vibing with the location, so we need to like do something different. So let's head there.
Wait. Let me know.
Locked है.
For this lovely shoot, I hope कुछ content बाहर आया हो इसमें.
So I'm such a nice, husty friend.
Yeah.
I don't even ask for anything big. I just got an AirPods case.
Sweet photographer, videographer.
पता चलेगा edit करने के बाद reel ही नहीं आया. Let's see if I can do this,
Let's go,
brothers.
bro. We can do this, bro. Now I'm there now. मैं तेरे को पहुंचा दूंगा इवेंट तक.
Just shut up. मेरे को है ना जल्दी कैब बुक करवा. मैं जा रही हूँ कैब से. तू चुपचाप घर जा.
5 मिनट बाद देखना गाइस हम किधर लैंड होते हैं अभी.
Guys, Jigar can't say anything because I was right. I told you I'm going to go by cab and Jigar
Guys.
is not going to drop me. Do you have anything to say?
ब्रो सच बोल दे आस्था. कम ऑन, डोंट इतना
क्या सच?
डर्टी मत कर.
क्या
मैं
सर?
आया था किधर तक यार. शिट यार, ये लड़कियां जो बोलती है ना सच हो जाता है. मैं फिर मेरा कोई भरोसा ऐसे भी नहीं है. देखो गाइस, मैं ना आगे आ गया हूँ. पवई से बाहर निकल के राइट लेके यहाँ पे खड़ा हूँ मैं. किधर है ये हम लोग? तू समझ
पवई में ही है वो. शिव सृष्टि पवई में ही था.
शिव सृष्टि वाला पवई रोड में आगे तक आ रहा था रास्ता. तूने मेरे को बहुत पिंच
He's like,
किया.
nahi, nahi, because of emotional this thing that I'm trying to drop you.
Yes.
First you said that no, I'll only drop you. Then you agreed na
तू
eventually.
कैंसिल करके आया. चलो गाइस, बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग.
Anyway, guys, this was just a little bit. We didn't end up shooting so much from what
Yeah.
we were shooting because it was damn hot and we didn't have time and we had to quickly finish everything. But any which way, if you like our videos, please go like, share, comment, subscribe to
Couple
Uncouple.